इंडियन कोस्ट गार्डाच्या डायरेक्टर जनरलान सुजय गस्ती बोटीची माहिती दिली.
Indeed, as far as indigenization is concerned, we have truly come a long way from importing inshore petrol vessels from Japan, Korea, and Singapore to build modern offshore vessels such as SUJAY with over 2/3 indigenous content. Even the hovercraft or air system vehicles which are imported until recently are now set to be built in India shortly. The indigenous craftsmanship and professional acumen of our different PSUs and private shipyards towards building these platforms is propelling us rapidly towards first line in defense. It is also contributing to the Scale India initiative of Honorable Prime Minister.
GSL is proud at playing a part in equipping our Coast Guard for its crucial role in protecting and safeguarding the country's vast coastline, which all of us are proud of. Our focus on timely deliveries, besides the build quality, is a key differentiator between us and other shipyards. Today, it is because of these very virtues, GSL is the largest exporter of ships from India and has been executing multiple orders for various friendly countries. The OPVs and FPVs we have delivered to Sri Lanka Navy and Mauritius Coast Guard are bringing laurels to countries in form of a very positive feedback with respect to workmanship and technological advancement and huge customer satisfaction.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सुरेंद्र मडकयकार.